Ron back here on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the DJI Pocket 3. If you saw my last video, you know that my screen went bad on my Pocket 3. It no longer locks in place, either on or off. And by on I mean in the when you twist it around, it kind of goes in the landscape, and then I can't close it either. So, common issue, a lot of people had it, especially when the Pocket 3 first came out. So, I contacted DJI support. I didn't contact, but just went online, DJI.com/support. It went in, it's had all my items I ever bought listed there, and which ones were still under some kind of a warranty or whatever. So I found the Pocket 3. Immediately it took me right to the the Care Refresh, but I didn't need Care Refresh because I was still under warranty, but I was able to switch it back to warranty again and choose that. And why I would have gone Care Refresh if it was say I broke something I did, caused it to break, but it was a perfect condition. It just stopped working. Said common problem. So okay, that day, as soon as I got done, I put an explanation of what my problem was. I sent a picture of the Pocket 3 with its screen, not hanging kind of sideways, cockeyed, I call it, and almost immediately I was sent an email with a return label where I could send the drone back to. Oh, as a side note here, bonus feature, this video was filmed on the GoPro Hero 12, and the audio was captured just with the mics built into the Hero 12. No internal microphones, no Bluetooth mics or whatever. This is built-in mic. So just a little turn this into a GoPro video as well as the DJI Pocket 3 video, but just like to let people know what I'm filming and recording with. So DJI themselves. So here I have it packaged up here. Here they pre-printed a return label for me, so free shipping back is going to DJI Services LLC in Fort Worth, Texas, right near my good friend Mike Wright, who was born and raised in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So I could have him check on the package for me, right? Just kidding, folks. So, okay, I'm ready to take it down to UPS today. Okay, walking the Pocket 3 return right into the UPS store here, located in the our hardware store, True Value Hardware store here in Margate City. Today, this is Friday, the June 7th. I'm shipping out, so the journey begins here. I'm going to keep you up, with what's going on in this video here, and said thanks, thumbs up if you got anything out of the video, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll put some affiliate links down below, Amazon affiliate links. If you take for a Pocket 3, if you can help me out. Please use the links to purchase something. I get a small commission. And that video, the first video in this series where I first talked about the issue with the Pocket 3, where I kind of show it better, that video will be up here or up here, one place. So go ahead and watch part 1 if you didn't see part 1 yet. So, and I'll be back with another video when I get some, either get the Pocket back, or I get maybe a progress report. So yeah, we're gonna follow this journey all the way through the DJI kind of warranty, in this case, program. Not the Care, I have a Care Refresh, but I don't need Care Refresh because I did not break it myself. This is a warranty repair. So, okay, folks, we will see you in the next video, and don't forget, watch the previous video.